What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Craftsman riding mower, and the problem is that the drive belt and the deck belt need to be replaced. Let's start by removing the deck. Pull the cotter pins out of the front trailing arms and detach them from the deck. I'm going to go ahead and lower the deck so it gives us more room to detach the 3 remaining arms. Next, I'll go ahead and remove the cotter pin for the arm on the right side of the deck. And while I'm on this side of the deck, I'll go ahead and pull the cotter pin for the PTO cable and remove it from the deck as well. Now that I've moved to the left side of the deck, I'll go ahead and move the cotter pin on the stabilizing bar. Next, I'll go ahead and pull the cotter pin for the left lift arm and detach both arms from the deck. I forgot I have to go back to the right side of the deck and detach the arm there as well. Now move to the front of the mower and work the belt off the pulley on the engine. I need just a little bit more clearance to get the deck out, so I'm going to go ahead and lift the front of the mower up. I got in a bit of a hurry and I forgot to disconnect the PTO cable from the deck. And of course it's another cotter pin. I promise you this is the last one. Now the deck should come out from underneath the mower without any problems. Here's a diagram of how the belt will run through the pulleys if for some reason you're missing your belt or the belt is completely broken. Otherwise, go ahead and work the old belt off the pulleys and then reinstall a new belt. For the next step, I'm going to go ahead and tilt the mower against the wall. I don't normally do this, but for the sake of filming, I'm going to go ahead and take the risk. This is a bit of a mousetrap. Do this at your own risk. And luckily, there is another diagram of how the belt should run through the pulleys just in case your belt is gone or completely broken. I find it easier to go ahead and work in the middle and take the belt off the flat pulley first. At this point, I don't have a lot of slack on the belt to remove it off the front pulley, so now I'm going to go to the back and work it off the transmission pulley next. And now that there's more slack in the belt, I'm going to go back to the front and work the belt off the front pulley. Now we're going to go ahead and install the new belt in reverse order. The only thing here is to make sure the belt is under all its guards and not riding on top of them. Now that that's done, let's go ahead and put the mower back on the ground, slide the deck underneath it, reconnect all the lift arms, the stabilizing arm, and the PTO belt. There's no real order of operations in reinstalling the deck. Whatever you can get to from wherever you're at and whatever's easiest is the best rule. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any comments or questions about your small engines, please leave them in the comments below. And please consider subscribing, as it really supports this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.